on, 'cause we have a night to get away. So come on and fly with me as we make like a rain.
Oh, I'm so bored.
So baby, don't worry, you are my only. You won't be lonely, even if the sky is falling down. You'll be my only. No need.
Mommy, why do you make me come with you?
Because you've been on that game all day.
Stop
it, well, I'm taking that game from you.
Okay.
At checkout. Oh, I forgot something. I'll be right back.
No, Mommy, don't go. Hurry, he's almost done.
Oh, great heavens!
I can't believe you forged your dad's signature at school.
I'm sorry.
Your dad is almost here. You better be ready.
Maybe if I act like you, he'll go easy on me.
What do you mean?
5 minutes later.
Son, you ready for this ass whooping?
Oh, yeah. Yes. Do it again, Dad.
What the hell you doing?
Acting like Mom when you spank her.
Oh, hell no. Hello, are you there? Yes, who are you? I'm what? What's your name? What's my name? Yes, what's your name? My name is John what? John what? Yes, are you Jones? No, I'm not. Will you tell me your name then? Will not. Why not? My name is not. Not what? Not what? Not. Man,
Oh, great heavens!
Hey son, can you help me clean?
You a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? You a
Hey,
savage.
son.
Huh?
Oh, is that Ashley again?
Ashley? No, it's Rachel.
Oh,
Why you always messing everything up?
my bad.
Dad, did you and your friend ride a roller coaster last night?
What? Where?
Well, here I guess.
In my room? How?
Well, why did you say, girl, take this, hop on my ride like a roller coaster, go up and down like a roller coaster, I got my hands up, where my eyes roll back, OMG, I'ma scream,
You better, there's her. Hey, what's that smell?
It's him. Hey, you belong in the dumpster, 'cause you stink. I'm about to end this girl's whole career. And you're like the outside of the bread, because everyone touches you, but no one wants you.
Come on, bro, please, think about what you're doing. I can say the same thing about you being with my wife. Mark, please stop this. You have any last words? Man, sharing is caring. Hey, guys, what are y'all doing? Who the hell's this? I don't know.
Dad, stop lying. This is Markeisha. I invited her. Dad's always in the shower with her screaming random things like, ooh, ah, when you're not here, Mommy.
Oh yeah, like every day.
You say what now? Uh-oh. I'm shooting this thing. They're just playing.
Hey, bro, what do you want from McDonald's?
Oh no, I'm good, man. I didn't bring no money.
Did I ask you if you brought money? What do you want?
A 10-piece. Love you.
Mom, look what Dad showed me.
What? I gotta... He wishes I call it Mr. Little.
Mom, read it again.
Why? I gotta dig big? What the? I thought it said...
You thought, but dang, you didn't have to expose Dad like that.
Expose what?
Oh, hey, Mr. Little. You're such a loser. Leave me alone. Aw, are you gonna cry? I'm about to end this girl's whole career. No, but your mom did when she found out she was pregnant with you. Hey, Dad.
What's up?
You might get a call from school soon.
Why? What did you do?
Well, I was standing in line to get my food in the cafeteria, and I see a big bowl of apples.
Okay.
And there's a note in front of the apples that said, only take one, God is watching. So I go farther down the line and see a big bowl of cookies, and I decided to write my own note.
Oh, no.
And it said, take all you want, God is watching the apples.
Oh, great heavens!
Mommy, why didn't you tell me that I was adopted?
What are you talking about, son? You're not adopted.
Well, today in class, we did a DNA test, and I matched with some random people that I've never met before.
What? No, that can't be right. Honey, tell him. Tell him what? He's not our biological son. What do you mean? Remember our first couple of nights in the hospital when our baby wouldn't stop crying? Yeah, and I told you to change him. Yeah, and I did.
Oh, great heavens!
What's up, guys? I'm gonna be scaring my roommate Romeo again. He hates it when I try to scare him, and it's been a minute, so might as well try, right? So I'm gonna be scaring him with this rat and me being this blue face guy. So let's give it a try. He should be getting home pretty soon. Dude, are you kidding? Son, why do you never go out? You're always playing the game or you're on your phone.
Because you never let me out.
What? That's not true.
A few moments later.
Hey, Mom, can I go to my friend's house?
Whose?
Michaela.
Definitely not.
Bruh.
Hey class, can anyone give me examples of things that are useless? I'm about to ruin this class clown's whole career. Very good. Any other examples?
Give me one good reason I shouldn't beat your ass. Cause I'ma tell mama you was fucking that woman down the street. Damn! That's a good ass reason. Let's go get some ice cream.
Yo son, it's late. Why are you not asleep?
Because I think there's monsters under my bed.
Well, if this makes you feel better, you go sleep in my bed and I'll sleep here to make sure there's no monsters.
Okay, be careful.
Don't worry, I'm strong. Ah, man, I can never find the plug.
Don't worry, I got you.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey babe, do you want to watch a movie while the kids are quiet? Yeah, let's do it. 20 minutes later. Thanks for watching the movie with me. Of course. And how'd you get the kids to stay so quiet? Oh, I put the anime that was on your laptop on for them. But I don't have any anime on my laptop.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, Dad.
What?
How come you couldn't keep up with your friend last night?
Keep up? What you mean?
Well, I walked in on you guys
Walked in?
dancing strange.
Dancing strange?
And she said,
Oh no.
can you keep up, baby boy? I'm out of breath. Bring the noise. I'm out of breath. Hit me hard. Can't breathe.
Man, quit lying. You know I can keep up with anything.
Well, explain to me. I can't keep up.
You better, this hand.
Yo, Dad.
What?
You want to hear how I sound when the beat drops?
Not really.
Every time the beat
What the-
drops. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Yo, son.
What?
Are you really okay?
Nah, that's just me, how I sound when I bust a nut.
Boy, I don't want to hear that.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah, you better bust this hand. Boy, I just got a call from school saying that you're trying to be in a gang.
I thought it would be cool.
I can tell you finna be cool with this belt if you don't stop.
That's not fair. Mom's in a gang.
What? Now you want to lie?
I'm not lying. Her gang has her and 6 guys.
What are you talking about?
Last week when you were at your work trip, 6 guys came and went to your room, and I think Mom's the leader because she was screaming at them saying, don't stop, keep going.
Baby! Good morning. Hey, morning. I'm guessing you slept good? I mean, I gotta say, last night was amazing. What are you talking about? Good one. Can you be serious for once? Come on, last night. I don't know what happened last night. It smells good. What's for breakfast? Who is this? That's my brother. He slept here last night.
Oh, great heavens!
What is this?
It's a song about me and my girl.
Wait, what?
I'm just like Nike and she's like McDonald's. I'm just doing it and she's like, I'm loving it. She was screaming, I want more. Come Zoro and take this sword. Kitty so good, I was like, oh Lord. Now I'm yelling, oh, oh, oh.
You better yell to this hand.
Wow, she's so beautiful.
Yeah, bro, she's way out of your league.
Watch this. I'm gonna ask her out on a date.
There's no way.
Hey. Hi. Will you go on a date with me? Only if you could beat me on Uno. On mobile? Yes. Oh yeah, it's April 1st. I remember the all skip mode comes in today.
Skip. Uno. Skip. Uno. Skip.
No way you beat me. Okay, I guess I can go on a date with you now. Yay! I love Uno Mobile.
Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. March Dubai ain't got shit on me. You can touch the sky, but you ain't got shit on me. 'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah.
Bro, I have like 10 crown wins on Fortnite right now. No way! Yeah.
I have like 45 crown wins.
Whoa, that's awesome. Shut up. Who asked?
I'm about to end this guy's whole career. Your parents didn't ask for you, but here we are.
Oh, for heavens!
I'm the best shooter here.
I don't know about all that.
Are you trying to say that you're better than me?
No, but maybe they are.
Who?
My name is Justin and I'm cracked, my guy.
You're trash, you piece of shit. They don't seem so tough.
You forgot one more.
Oh, for heavens!